Hi guys, and welcome to a new video series. First time in English. Since this will be an international trip, I thought I might as well do it in English, so all of you foreign followers can understand what I'm saying. I know you've been tired of my German videos. To all the German guys, you might as well listen to the video in English, no problem. So this week we're gonna go to Indonesia for the Uncle Hard Enduro Race, which is super exciting. I'm looking forward to this race for over half a year now. I've just finished packing up. The van is loaded with all my stuff, and all my bags are in the Mini of Vivian, as you can see. Big heavy bags. We'll see if we manage all the baggage controls. I'm stoked to bring you along for the trip. I hope you like this new format of video in English. I'm looking forward to it and I can't wait. I've been to Sri Lanka before, which is not the same as Indonesia, I guess, but I think I have kind of an idea what to expect, but still it's a bit unknown, so we'll see. I'm stoked and heading to Frankfurt now to fly out. So we arrived in Frankfurt and I'll show you my luggage quick. So we have this full bag with all bike stuff and boots and riding gear. This whole bag with camera equipment plus helmet and goggles, and the girlfriend that stays here. Sadly she cannot come due to studying reasons, and let's see if we can manage to get all the stuff through check-in and head to the first, or go into the first flight to Doha in Qatar. So we're just here at the local German coffee shop. I managed to get the bags through security. I had a little secret trick I used, because my big bag was 32 kilograms and I was only allowed 30, and like we Germans, we are very precise in that, so usually you cannot get any overweight through without paying extra. And my flight data said every kilo overweight is $40 US, so would have been like $100 US extra, and I just put my foot under the bag on the scale, and it had 29.5 kilograms, so spot on, and didn't pay anything extra. So now 1 more hour to kill to get into the first plane to Doha, and travel starts now. So guys, as you can see, we safely made it to Doha in Qatar. It's a little bit yellow in here from the light. Now it's getting white. Had a good flight. I was always super happy with Qatar Airways. Very nice service, pretty chill, around 6.5 hours. Now I have like half an hour of layover, maybe get some food, and I just thought I'll bring you along on this journey. It's not very often that I do like crazy 24-hour trips around the world, so quite a short layover in Qatar. Just managed to get in a few snacks. Boarding the plane now to Jakarta. Will be roughly 7 hours flight, I think. Didn't check. I'll let you know when I get there. successfully made it to Jakarta. We have 35 degrees temperature outside, so my sweatshirt is not really appropriate clothing, but anyway, I'm kind of overflying now. This was now an 8.5 hours flight, not a 6-hour flight. So, yeah, legroom was pretty tight. Another one to go. Guys, right now at the baggage claim. I'm waiting here now for 15 minutes. My bag's not arrived yet. Hopefully nothing happened. Good news is there's still all the time new bags coming, so fingers crossed it shows up and we're all gonna, or I'm not gonna have any big issues here. Yeah, it's always a bit risky when you carry suspension because of the shock, which is which contains liquid gas under pressure. So oh my god, actually it just showed up. I'm so happy. Yeah, it contains liquid gas, and so airport security might not let it go through, but mine did. Got it. Fun fact is I actually carried over 50 kilograms of luggage, and without paying a single cent extra. Okay, let's go find some cold drinks, some food, and yeah, see where the connection flight is going. I have roughly an hour. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think this airport should be too big, so I'll go now. Catch you guys later. Alrighty people, we made it. About to board the last flight. I'm surrounded by people, only the local people, with their local dresses, as you might see in the background. Looks really cool, very interesting. I'm sure it's a lot nicer than just to wear a normal t-shirt, which you can see is super sweaty. I'm at the very last gate of the airport, gate 28, and the air conditioning is not really working until here, so yeah, it's incredibly hot. I asked the local Starbucks guy what I should drink to get me colder, and he made me a huge cup of tea, a warm one this time, so I hope it helps. And yeah, boarding now the final flight to BANJARMASIN, which is the city next to the race. Yeah, we'll see. Excited. I think it will be a normal plane, so I was already scared that it would be like a small little plane, like a bush plane, but it's not. It's a normal aircraft, and yeah, looking forward to it. The weather is not really nice. It's super cloudy. I'll show you in a second. Yeah, you can't see really, but it's not very nice. I found these super cool, laying down chairs, and yeah, just hanging out. Boarding starts in roughly 20 minutes, so I'm quite excited to get there now. I'm on the home stretch. The last flight really was messy. I didn't like that at all, and yeah, excited to get there, meet the people from the race, and yeah, have dinner with everybody. See you there. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we have officially made it to our final destination. I'm so happy. Finally! Temperature's not as bad as I thought. Honestly quite nice. It's not cold at all, but not like super hot, so I'm not sweating. Yeah, super happy. Getting the luggage now, and then I'm gonna see if I can find the guy that's supposed to fetch me from the airport and then head to the hotel. So I arrived here And look at the car the guys picked me up. Not a bad way to start the trip, I would say.
Welcome,
Boys, you ready?
Yo.
Oh, thank you. Oh, sick. You cannot see really, but